Problem of junk food among the working class people of India. Friends, we are among the top working class people of India who has the most young generation. But still, there is another fact also that 7 out of 10 corporate executives are overweight. That's why we need to take care of our health while working. So, if you think that your work is apart from your fitness, then you are wrong. You need to take care of your health by any cost, by anyhow. It's a say in our Vedas also that pehla sukh nirogi kaya, dusra sukh maya. So if you want to build your great careers, if you want to have more money in your life, then you should take care of your health. Friends, in this video, I am going to talk about that what are the causes of the habit or the poor habit of junk food which usually attract people towards themselves. So maybe if you are able to aware or if you are able to connect with them so that you can find out that where you are doing wrong in your life which is giving you the overweight. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert. I'm on the mission to transform 100,000 working class people of India into happy, healthy, immune, and to have a great body. That's why I have created a course known as Automatic Metabolism Reset System. Friends, we have there is something common between you and me that we all feel hungry, especially after our lunch. So that's why many people are not aware that there is a system in dieting which is known as the evening snacks. But usually the people ignore it, especially the working class of India ignore it very much. What I have observed that they usually take their food good in their home, but the okay food in their office. That is the main problem. They are spending their most important time of the day in their office and still they are having the most poor diet in their office. It is a point of a concern between them. But usually today I want to talk about the junk food. Junk food has a big problem. Junk food is a kind of a food addiction. Addiction like the drug addiction, alcohol addiction, smoking addiction, and the food addiction. How? I'll tell you. Each of the segment of the drugs or the addiction play with our mind with the dopamine level or the pleasure level of mind. Once we have any kind of a sweet junk food, automatically dopamine release in our mind and gives us the aha feeling that yummy chocolate. In the same way, if we are having any spicy food, for example, I would like to give you the example of the pani puri or the golgappas. Many of the women, whether it is a pandemic situation, but they still love to consume golgappas because of the food addiction. They do, but still they are having. You know why? Because the spices gives some kind of pain to our body, and to release that pain, our body makes the dopamine. So that's why we feel pleasure out of it. It is the problem, but nobody understands this. They are unfit. They are taking risk of their life. They are making a poor habits in the upcoming generation, but still they are enjoying. In the same way, drug addicted enjoy, alcoholics enjoy, smoker enjoy, but from deep down inside they all know that it is killing them. That's why you also need to be concerned of this. The three reasons which I would like to talk about that why usually people get attracted towards the junk food like the ice cream and the pani puris. The number one reason is the anxiety in the working class people. They have a more stress of the work, they have some sales pressure, operation pressure, need to do the work on time. So that's why so many times their heart cries for the peace, their heart cries for the pleasure. So that's why they find their pleasure in the food and they get the aha feeling once they consume the food. But it can be a aha feeling like a smoker for a cigarette, aha feeling for a drug addict, and aha feeling for the food addict. So you must be aware of this thing because the problems cannot be gone even after you have the bad food in your life. You have to take care of themselves. You need to make some changes, you need to improve your personality, and you have to work towards your personality. And the first thing which you need to do, that you need to make your health or your body in a healthy way. The second problem is this, the problem of social pressure. How it is a social pressure? I'll give you example. Imagine for a moment that you are working as a sales manager or a CEO, and you have a problem of junk eating. And once you see that your junior or a peon is having almonds at the time of 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., how do you see? You feel like, wow, how come हमारे यहाँ पे peon जो हैं वो भी बादाम खाते हैं. Maybe it cannot be you, but there are so many people who has a mentality like this. They are having some kind of a samosa, but if someone is having a good sources of food, they usually make fun of him. You should not do the things like this, because if a single person can, if अगर एक बुरी मछली समुद्र को खराब कर सकती है, तो उसी तरीके से अच्छी मछली समुद्र को साफ भी कर सकती है. So if you are creating an example of the fit person, fit executive, fit manager, fit CEO, then you should be constant on your path. It will impact, maybe not today, but it will. The friends, so that's why it is a social pressure. And you can easily see the social pressure also in the birthday parties, in the New Year parties also. यार लेना यार, खाना यार, अरे यार तू तो कुछ खाता ही नहीं है, साहब जी डाइटिंग पे हैं, मैडम जी डाइटिंग पे हैं. Many of the time you're going to hear or listen the sounds like this, but ignore them, because it's your life. And always remember this thing. So that's why the 7 out of 10 people is overweight, and those 7 people are teasing you on your right path. So friends, the third reason is this, that you don't have the skill of the dieting. Many people, what they believe, that eating less is the dieting, but it is not. The first condition of the dieting is this, that your stomach must be full. It is the first condition. You should be energetic once you consume the dieting. You should not be lethargic. So that's why many of the people who do the yo-yo diet, who eat less, who do not consume protein, who just believe that the tea can help them out to have the tea can replace their food, they are wrong. They are totally wrong. Friends, have some energy in your life. Learn the skill. Friends, if you're going to learn the skill about the food and the nutrition, then definitely you will pass this thing to your generations also. Friends, we do not learn about the many of the things in our education system, and food skill, dieting and health is one of them. So that's why it's a skill. You need to give some time to it, and you spend your money and your time to achieve the skill. Now friends, what I want to tell to you, that if you're connecting with me any of this, then I also want to connect with you on my social media links. Link I'm giving you over here. Then please connect me on my Facebook group. There you will get the free workouts routine. Connect me on the Telegram, so that we will have the long time relationship. Connect me. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, so that I will give you the future information through my videos. Connect to my WhatsApp classes. My WhatsApp classes is the skill and the knowledge which you can acquire in just 5 days, and you can reset your metabolism, and you can see that you can have the energy again in your life within 5 days. Friends, the link I'm giving to you over here. Once you go into the link, you can also download the free ebook. Ebook consists of the 7-day free diet plan and some of the home-based workouts which you can do. This is your fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.